And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their back heating pad. You can see the size here, and it's made to cover your whole back. There's 6 heating levels, 3 time settings, auto off, overheat protection, just a company logo here, machine wash, weighted edges, ultra soft fabric. There's a better photo of it there, showing how to look on the front, and then just more company info here with the sticker. So let's open this up and see what comes in here. You're all in one thing, looks like it. Yep, that's it for the box. So inside of here now is our little instruction manual. Not a whole lot to show you there. Yep. And then here's the actual heating pad. So you can see this just plugs right in here. And then of course this part plugs into your wall. And then you have this nice screen. So got your power button, turn it on. Then you can set your temp, how hot or cold you want it. 100 degrees is the lowest. Goes up to 150. And you can set your time. 60, 90, 30, 60, 90. There it is. And it would literally just snap right over your back. And these two parts would tie in front of your neck. And this thing would heat your entire back with this super nice LCD display. It's already up to 86 degrees. Thanks again to Alljoy for sending me this product to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.